Sobrang ganda nung nightlife dito. Hindi siya nakakasawa. We've been living here for 2 years na, pero I'm still mesmerized by the view, day and night. So eto, kung gusto mo, kita mo na agad yung bunga nung investment mo. I really suggest going against the flow, yung going against the traditional way. Most that we hear from our guests are hidden gem siya. Una sa lahat, yung road dito, papunta dito, hindi mo akalain na meron palang gantong lugar sa parang at the end. We chose to reside here in Antipolo kasi malayo siya sa business and rush ng city. We were aiming for a slow life. What I love the most with working with home-based modular is it's efficient. We started planning at around October 2022 and the business is already up and running January 2023. Working with home-based per se, sobrang bilis. Parang 2 weeks at most lang kami nag-usap and buo na agad yung cabin. So I really recommend it for people na gusto nila fast-paced, kumbaga gusto nila up and running agad din yung business nila.